It's a hotel.
I think it's a hotel, according to what
Hilton
TikTok
Hotel.
said. This is Hilton?
What did it say?
Hotel Kingston.
Oh, okay. Can you take outside of yourself?
Yeah.
Inside for the boat, then we're going to
Oh, true. Yeah. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter to me.
This is our version of brunch.
What's that building over there?
I have no idea.
Look, a castle.
That's the first fucking time I'm hearing about that building. Ah. I think that's probably Fort right now. By any stretch of the means. I guess not.
Picky eater here. So we're trying a new place. What is this? Gloria's seafood.
Downtown Ocean Boulevard.
So, what if I don't like it? I don't know. I feel like it's gonna be good, but I hope I like it. We're gonna see. So this is brown stew fish, bami, and what else?
Brown stew fish, bami, covered, well, of course, the vegetable, covered in a sauce made out of pumpkin and okra.
Okay,
It's
wait.
like a strong back, mine, baby. And they have rice and peas on the side with festival.
And then I got the what was it? The garlic shrimp.
Garlic shrimp.
I think it's garlic
Potato.
shrimp, mashed potato, and vegetable. Consensus is I'm really, really enjoying the shrimp. It's just pure pepper. It's so spicy, but it's delicious. As someone who loves spicy, I didn't have to ask for no extra hot sauce. I might need some lemon at this point, but it's so good. So, what if I don't like it? Nothing. Love it. Not a thing here. Absolutely love it. Just spicy.
You know,